We have a strong cold front moving through tonight. Basically, right around now, the rain is starting to move in, and this will last at least a couple of hours, maybe till around 4 a.m. or so. Maximum wind gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour. We've already been seeing gusts over 30 miles per hour. The chance for an isolated severe gust will be possible, but not especially likely. In showers with brief heavy rain, we're also seeing some moderate to brief rain at times. Let's first talk about some coastal flood alerts, coastal flood advisory for the back bays of Sussex County until 2 p.m. and until 4 a.m. Monday for Worcester and Accomack counties. We have a coastal flood warning for Dorchester, Wycomico, and Somerset counties. We're just starting to crest right now, entering the high tide cycle. There could be some areas of 2 feet of inundation of water because of the strong winds that are occurring right now, coinciding with the high tide. Likely going to be downgraded to a coastal flood advisory by tomorrow. Check out these winds. We've got gusts up to 35 miles per hour at Cambridge, up to 30 miles per hour at Salisbury. So, and 36, look at that at Easton. And that's popping in some warm air, 69 degrees with Chuckey and Lewis. So this is the convective fine line right now, and it's all associated with this cold front. We have a lot of special marine warnings due to the potential for those gusty winds as this front begins to push on in. And we even have a special weather statement for Dorchester County due to the potential for gusts approaching 40 miles per hour, maybe even exceeding that at times with this band of rain moving through. And again, there will be some brief rain with it, I should say, heavy rain. So isolated instances of damaging winds, that's still going to be a threat with this line moving through. We will see this line move through over the next couple of hours, probably by around 1 a.m. The most potent part of this line will be out of here. Then we're just left with scattered showers a couple of hours afterwards in the wake of that front. And then the sunshine returns for Monday morning, and we're basically looking at sunny skies for Monday afternoon with temperatures about 10 degrees cooler than what we saw today. And gusty breezes continuing. So the strongest winds are going to be just ahead of this front. Notice how after 1 a.m. they die down, but then they're going to quickly pick back up by Monday afternoon. This is at 12 p.m. We're talking about some gusts approaching 30 miles per hour, but this time out of the west and northwest. So that's why we have small craft advisories for all of our water sides for tomorrow because of those strong gusty winds that will be in place up to 30 miles per hour at times. So for tonight, staying in the 50s or dropping into the 50s once the front passes on through with breezy conditions. Tomorrow it's going to be breezy, but not seeing the strong gusts like we're going to be seeing tonight. Likely capped at around 30 miles per hour, and temperatures will be about 10 degrees cooler than what we saw today with an abundance of sunshine. There's a small chance for a few showers Tuesday night with another frontal passage, but it's not an especially big chance. Other than that, it's pretty much smooth sailing, but notice how cooler weather moves in by the time we get to Thursday. After a brief warm-up on Tuesday, we're talking about highs only in the low 60s, and low temperatures will be well into the low 40s, but with a good amount of sunshine. But by the weekend, there's going to be some more clouds moving into the mix, so partially sunny, we'll call it on Saturday, and then by Sunday, we're talking about mostly cloudy skies, and temperatures still a little bit on the cool side, but generally seasonable for this time of the year. High temperatures likely going to be in the lower to mid 60s, and lows back down into the mid 40s Saturday night. So other than the small rain chance for Tuesday night, the rest of the weekend is pretty much smooth sailing from here.